What if the problem is not that we do not love enough, but that we have not learned how to receive love first? Many believers are trying to love from pressure, duty, exhaustion, or fear. But Scripture says we love because He first loved us. This is the heart of Loving as Loved event happening on May 15th and 16th at Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly in Waterbury Center, Vermont. This event will help you experience being loved by God, not just understanding it as an idea. You'll receive a theological foundation for living love, along with 2 practical activities to help deepen your daily experience of the Father's love, so you can love others as and because you have been loved first. Remember, this event starts this Friday, the 15th at 6:30 p.m. and continues through Saturday. We ask that you get your registration in by May 13th. Bring your own lunch so you don't miss anything, and there will be donations received at the end. Register today. The link is below for Loving as Love. Less striving, more receiving, more love revealed. We'll see you there.